Professional woodworkers are keeping these 16 Amazon tools secret because they don't want hobbyists creating work that rivals theirs. Today, I'm exposing every single one. We'll cover precision cutting tools that eliminate mistakes, finishing equipment that creates showroom results, and measurement devices that guarantee perfect joints every time. By the end of this video, you'll have the same competitive edge the pros have been hiding. Let's level the playing field right now. Tilswall Rotary Tool 160W Multi-Tool Kit. Asterisk, this 160W powerhouse with 145-piece accessory kit transforms any DIY project into professional work. The 6-speed settings handle everything from delicate engraving to heavy grinding on wood, metal, and plastic. Over 50,000 verified buyers confirm this replaces 8 different tools in your workshop. Limited Amazon stock means prices jump 40% regularly during peak seasons. Smart woodworkers grab this complete solution before their next project starts demanding precision work. SpeedHex FlipOut Cordless Screwdriver. Asterisk, the revolutionary 380-degree rotating head reaches impossible angles that defeat standard screwdrivers completely. Built-in LED illuminates dark corners, while the quick-charge battery lasts 500 screws per charge. Professional contractors pay $200 plus for similar tools with less functionality. This Amazon exclusive under $60 sells out monthly due to incredible demand. Your next tight space project demands this absolute game changer for flawless results. Kreg K4 Pocket-Hole Jig. Asterisk creates furniture-grade joints that rival $5,000 cabinet work with perfect precision every time. The 3-position guide handles 1/2 to 1.5 materials with zero tear out or splitting. Dust collection keeps workspace clean, while industrial clamps ensure perfect alignment. Master woodworkers consider this essential equipment for professional results. Amazon's current 25% discount expires this month. Professional furniture making results start here with this proven system. Chamfer Plane Hand Tool. Asterisk eliminates dangerous sharp edges in seconds with surgical precision that hand sanding can't match. 6 high-carbon steel blades create perfect 17 and 45 chamfers that hand sanding takes hours to achieve. Ergonomic grip prevents fatigue during long woodworking sessions. Smart buyer stock replacement blades now while they're 30% off on Amazon. Safety and speed combine perfectly in this essential workshop tool for professional finishing work. Saker 6-inch electric. Asterisk chainsaw. This 550W cordless beast cuts 6-inch branches effortlessly with zero kickback risk for ultimate safety. Single-hand operation weighs just 2.4 pounds while lasting 45 minutes per charge. Traditional pruning takes 5x longer with dangerous ladder work and manual saws. Spring pruning season means this sells out fast on Amazon. Your trees deserve professional care now with this lightweight powerhouse that makes outdoor work effortless. Rack magnetic wristband tool holder. Asterisk 10 powerful neodymium magnets hold the pounds of screws, nails, and bits exactly where you need them most. Ballistic nylon construction survives job site abuse, while breathable padding ensures all-day comfort. Productivity increases 40% when hardware stays organized and accessible during projects. Professional contractors swear by this $15 game changer for workshop efficiency. Work smarter, not harder with this simple solution that transforms your workflow. Nicpro Mechanical Carpenter Pencils. Asterisk extended 45mm lead reaches deep, pulls standard pencils, can't touch for precise marking. Built-in sharpener and lead storage eliminate constant trips to the toolbox during work. Red and black leads handle different materials perfectly for various project needs. Experienced builders know precision marking determines project success from start to finish. Amazon's 2-pack deal saves 35% over individual purchases, while ensuring you never run out of reliable marking tools. Hedgehog Spiral Featherboard Safety Guard. Asterisk prevents dangerous kickback while ensuring straight cuts on table saws and routers every time. 1-button spiral adjustment fits any fence instantly without complicated setup procedures. DuPont nylon construction outlasts metal alternatives while providing superior grip pressure. Safety-conscious woodworkers invest in protection before accidents happen in their workshops. Insurance costs more than prevention. Your fingers are irreplaceable. Protect them with professional-grade safety equipment. AUXTUR Sharpening Stone with Honing Guide. Asterisk maintains razor-sharp chisels and plane blades with foolproof angle consistency every single time. Wide roller guide eliminates guesswork, while aluminum construction ensures decades of reliable use. Dull tools are dangerous tools that ruin projects and waste expensive materials. Master craftsmen sharpen weekly for peak performance and safety in their workshops. Sharp tools work effortlessly and safely, making every cut clean and precise for professional results. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool * replaces compass, ruler, and angle finder in one corrosion-resistant aluminum body for ultimate convenience. Adjustable geometry creates perfect circles, angles, and measurements instantly without tool switching. Multiple marking functions eliminate constant tool changes mid-project. For improved workflow efficiency, precision layout determines final quality in every woodworking project you undertake. Professional results demand professional measuring tools that deliver accuracy when it matters most. Bosch NanoBlade Cordless Saw 18 volts. * revolutionary NanoBlade technology cuts through materials with surgical precision and zero vibration for perfect control. 65mm cutting depth handles for lumber while maintaining perfect balance and maneuverability. Bosch's Power for All battery system works across 50+ tools for ultimate versatility. Premium performance justifies premium pricing when results matter most to your reputation. Professional results require professional equipment that delivers consistent performance every time. JOREST 15-inch contour gauge. * captures complex curves and irregular shapes with perfect accuracy for flawless template creation. Modular design extends to 15 inches, while locking pins hold shapes permanently for repeated use. Master woodworkers use templates for consistent results across multiple identical pieces. Precision templating eliminates costly mistakes and material waste in expensive hardwood projects. Accuracy pays for itself immediately by preventing expensive do-overs and material waste. TOLESA 36-piece Titanium Oscillating Blades. * titanium coating extends blade life 300% over standard steel, while curved tech design reduces vibration significantly. Universal compatibility fits all major oscillating tools perfectly without adapter requirements. Complete kit handles wood, metal, plastic, and composites expertly with specialized blade designs. Bulk buying saves 60% over individual blade purchases, while ensuring you're prepared for any material. Stock up now while this complete professional kit remains available. LoggerHead 8-inch Bionic Wrench. * patented design grips for 10 different sizes automatically while providing superior torque. Multiplication for stubborn fasteners. Self-adjusting jaws eliminate stripped bolts and rounded nuts completely through intelligent design. One revolutionary tool replaces entire wrench sets while saving valuable toolbox space. Revolutionary design wins engineering awards for innovation and practical functionality. Innovation costs less than the frustration of constantly searching for the right size wrench. Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler. * built-in level and adjustable positioning blocks ensure perfect hole placement every single time without guesswork. 3-axis adjustment prevents costly misalignment mistakes that ruin expensive cabinet installations. Cabinet installers rely on this tool for flawless hardware placement and professional results. Precision positioning separates professionals from amateurs in finished carpentry work. Perfect holes create perfect projects that clients notice and appreciate for years to come. Bosch GSB1-OLI Cordless Drill. * lightweight 12 volts design delivers professional torque in compact form, perfect for tight spaces. 2-speed transmission handles delicate driving and aggressive drilling equally well, without compromise. Bosch reliability means decades of dependable service that justifies the investment cost. Cordless freedom eliminates extension cord limitations while maintaining full power delivery. Professional contractors choose Bosch for reliability that keeps projects moving forward without costly downtime or equipment failures. Subscribe now for weekly tool discoveries that transform your workshop. Hit like if these tools surprised you. Comment your biggest project struggle below.